Ever wondered where the future of virtual reality might be headed, and how tech giants are shaping this journey? As we delve into the rapidly evolving realm of virtual reality, it's clear that its impact reaches far beyond mere gaming. From education to healthcare and even social interactions, virtual reality is poised to revolutionize how we interact with the digital world. In the midst of this technological revolution, a few key players stand out. Tech giants, with their immense resources and innovative minds, are playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of virtual reality. Their influence and contributions are setting the pace and direction for this exciting frontier. Recently, we've seen Apple step into the ring with its Vision Pro headset. This impressive piece of technology uses advanced machine learning to create hyper-realistic digital avatars, taking video chats to a whole new level of immersion. On the other side, we have Meta, formerly known as Facebook, with its Meta Quest Pro headset. This device promises crisper graphics and emotive facial expressions, aiming to make the metaverse a place for work and leisure alike. Two tech giants, Apple and Meta, are at the forefront of these developments, each with their unique take on VR. Apple's Vision Pro and Meta's Quest Pro are two headsets that have recently made headlines, but how do they compare? Starting with Apple's Vision Pro, this headset is truly a marvel of technology. It utilizes advanced machine learning to create digital avatars that are hyper-realistic. The aim? To enhance the FaceTime experience. Users can now scan their faces with the front-facing cameras, and machine learning algorithms will transform this data into digital avatars that mimic the user's face and hand movements. It's like stepping into a virtual mirror where your digital self behaves just like you. Despite its high price tag, the Vision Pro has been greeted with positive reviews, underscoring Apple's commitment to quality and user experience. On the other side of the ring, we have Meta's Quest Pro. This headset has brought several intriguing features to the table. It offers crisper graphics and mixed reality capabilities, heightening the immersion of virtual experiences. Emotive facial expressions add a new layer of realism, allowing users to convey a range of emotions in the virtual world. However, the addition of avatar legs was met with a mix of amusement and ridicule. Despite these features, the Quest Pro has received a lukewarm reception, with the internet community expressing mixed feelings. These two headsets, while both impressive in their own rights, highlight the differing approaches Apple and Meta are taking towards virtual reality. Apple's Vision Pro focuses on enhancing existing services, such as FaceTime, using hyper-realistic avatars. Meanwhile, Meta's Quest Pro is aiming to build a whole new virtual world, complete with emotive avatars and mixed reality capabilities. While both headsets have their strengths, they also highlight the different approaches Apple and Meta are taking towards VR. With these developments in mind, what can we predict about the future of virtual reality? Well, let's start with the potential. Virtual reality is poised to revolutionize a host of sectors, from gaming to work and beyond. Imagine a world where you can step into an immersive video game, interact with characters as if they're right there with you, or even feel the adrenaline rush of a high-speed car chase from the safety of your living room. The possibilities don't stop with entertainment. Think about the workplace. Forget about the drudgery of commutes and the constraints of geographical location. With VR, you could collaborate with colleagues in a virtual office from anywhere in the world, with the same level of interaction as if you were in the same room. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges to overcome. High on that list is the cost. High-end VR headsets like Apple's Vision Pro and Meta's Quest Pro are not cheap, limiting their accessibility to a wider audience. Then there's the need for more robust libraries of VR content. While strides are being made, with Meta focusing on gaming and acquiring virtual reality app makers, there's still a long way to go to create a diverse and engaging VR universe that can cater to all tastes and interests. And what about the potential of a decentralized VR world? This is where the Web3 movement comes into play. Web3 envisions a future where users have ownership and financial benefits, a world without middlemen. Could we see this concept applied to virtual reality? Could we be on the brink of a new era of VR where users not only consume, but also create and benefit from their virtual experiences? As we look to the future, it's clear that virtual reality is more than just a technological fad. It carries the potential to reshape our lives in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. But like any journey of exploration, there will be obstacles to overcome, roads less traveled to navigate, and new frontiers to conquer. Only time will tell how VR will shape our future, but one thing is certain: With tech giants like Apple and Meta in the race, the journey will be anything but dull.